Please start from Steam client. Hashref solution. Unable to initialize Steam, please start from Steam client. Fix 1. Launch game only from Steam. Important. Close the game completely. Open Steam. Go to library. Click play from Steam. Don't use desktop shortcut or game.exe. Fix 2. Restart Steam properly. 1. Close Steam. 2. Open Task Manager. 3. End all Steam processes. 4. Restart PC. 5. Open Steam as administrator. Hatch fix 3. Verify game files. Steam library. 1. Right-click the game. 2. Properties. Installed files. 3. Verify integrity of game files. This fixes missing Steam initialization files. Fix 4. Disable compatibility mode common cause. 1. Go to game install folder. 2. Right-click game exe. 3. Properties compatibility. 4. Uncheck everything. 5. Apply. OK. Fix 5. Allow Steam through Firewall antivirus. 1. Windows security Firewall. 2. Allow an app through Firewall. 3. Allow steam.exe, steamservice.exe, steamwebhelper.exe, or add Steam folder to exclusions. You can see the code in our conversation history. Fix 6. Repair Steam service. 1. Close Steam. 2. Press Win-R. 3. Paste. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Restart PC. Hatch fix 7. Check Steam client updates. Steam, check for Steam client updates. Outdated client equals initialization failure. Check fix 8. Reinstall Steam, last option. Backup Steam apps folder. Reinstall Steam, paste games back. This error happens when the game can't detect Steam running. Launching via exe breaks Steam DRM handshake, not a game bug. It's a client issue.